This is a weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Las Vegas on January 7th, 2013, highlighting the upcoming strong winds later in the week and the very cold air for the weekend. A cold front will begin to approach the area Wednesday night. Strong gusty winds will develop ahead of the cold front as early as late Wednesday afternoon across portions of Inyo and Esmeralda counties. The strongest winds are expected at the higher elevations, upwards of 60 miles per hour above 5,000 feet. Strong winds will be found across the area on Thursday. A cold front will be pushing to the south during the day and is expected to reach the Las Vegas Valley at this point sometime during the early evening hours. Winds will be from the south-southwest prior to the passage of the front and will shift abruptly to the north behind the front. Wind gusts of 30 to 45 miles per hour will be common on Thursday and Thursday night. Areas of blowing dust are also possible, particularly near dry lake beds. Strong crosswinds will make travel difficult along I-15 and I-40 after the front has passed during the evening hours and overnight hours. Wind advisories will likely be needed for many locations during Thursday and Thursday night. Additionally, a band of snow is expected to develop on Thursday afternoon and persist into Thursday night in Lincoln County. There is the potential for 3 to 6 inches of snowfall across the northern half of Lincoln County, particularly north of Caliente. Strong north winds will produce blowing snow and will also reduce visibilities. The strong north winds will continue on Friday, generally with gusts of 25 to 35 miles per hour. Some enhancement is possible down the Colorado River Valley on Friday, but more likely on Saturday afternoon. A significant cool down is in store for the weekend. For example, high temperatures will be in the lower 60s Tuesday and Wednesday in Las Vegas, but will struggle to reach 40 by Saturday afternoon. The coldest air of the season is heading for the Mojave Desert and will send temperatures tumbling. Low temperatures are expected to drop into the 20s, with the potential for some locations to fall into the teens both Friday night and Saturday night. People will need to take precautions for their pets, plants, and pipes. A freeze warning may be needed over the weekend. The current criteria for hard freeze is when temperatures are expected to fall below 20 degrees for elevations below 2,500 feet. In summary, strong winds beginning in Inyo County and Esmeralda County as early as late Wednesday afternoon, then region-wide on Thursday with gusts of 30 to 45 miles per hour. There is potential for 3 to 6 inches of snow in northern Lincoln County on Thursday afternoon and evening. Brisk north winds will persist on Friday across the area, and they'll be continued to be enhanced down the Colorado River Valley into Saturday. And lastly, a very cold weekend is in store for the lower deserts. Thank you for viewing the online weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Las Vegas, Nevada. You can find us on Twitter with the handle NWSVegas and by the hashtag NWSVegas. You can find us on Facebook with the search of National Weather Service Las Vegas, and you can visit our webpage located at www.weather.gov/Las Vegas.